In today's video, I'll show you how to add background voices in ElevenLabs to make your audio project sound more dynamic and realistic. If you're creating stories, podcasts, conversations, or other voice-based content, background voices can help make the final result feel more natural and engaging. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the project you're working on. Make sure your main narration or primary voice track is already prepared before adding additional voices. Next, create or select another voice from your voice library. This voice will be used for background dialogue, secondary characters, crowd effects, or any supporting speech you want to include. Now enter the text for the background voice and generate the audio. You can repeat this process for multiple voices if your project requires several speakers. After generating the additional voice tracks, listen to each one and make sure the tone and speaking style fit the scene or project you're creating. Once all of your voice clips are ready, download the audio files. You'll then need to arrange them alongside your main voice track. Position the background voices where they naturally fit within the conversation or scene. For the best results, keep background voices less prominent than the main speaker. This helps maintain clarity while still adding depth and realism to the audio. Take some time to preview the combined result and make any adjustments needed to timing, voice selection, or dialogue placement. When everything sounds balanced and natural, export the final version of your project. And that's how you add background voices in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.